out in the rain. She wanna leave me out in the rain. Add a tear for all it's the same. Damn, she had to kick me out. Coldest day of the winter and it's raining out. Damn, you know what I'm talking about. How you lose your girlfriend the coldest day in the south. Damn, where you going up is lost. Back on the saddle, getting on my horse. It sucks worse when it's on course. Cause it's raining out, I can't even light a torch. Sad and poor, lost and alone. I ride around smoking the only thing I call home. Wrong, and I ain't talking about the place. How can you recognize me? You never see my face. It may be sad to say, you'd probably miss me more if I wasn't here anyway. Love ain't safe with, adversity is faced with. She already got the number of my replacement. She wanna leave me out in the rain. She wanna leave me out in the rain. She wanna leave me out in the rain. Add a tear for all it's the same. Here we go again. Pettily, we always find a way to start an argument. Honestly, I don't know what I meant. Somebody heaven sent, I probably got the devil sent. Fighting over rent, the simplest shit. Working on a puzzle, but the pieces don't fit. I wanna stay, I wanna go, it's kinda making me sick. You can never leave me if I slip my wrist. Yeah, that's sick. I prove I'm the best. Yeah, that's it. Fuck that shit, and fuck you, bitch. Wait, I'm sorry, I don't mean it. Crazy ass shit, cold and wet, still the same. Pain in my heart, causing me the same. Assed out with nothing to my fucking name. Slam the door in my face, I'm left in the rain. She wanna leave me out in the rain.